Hi friends, we are going to do the practice set 6 of the Edutaria's half-yearly current affairs practice sets. Okay, so let's start with the question number 1. Who was recently elected as the Deputy Governor of the RBI? So the answer is T. Ravi Shankar. T. Ravi Shankar was recently elected as the Deputy Governor of the RBI. Which country hosted the India-EU leaders meeting held virtually on 8th May 2021? So the answer is Spain. Which state has recently become the first state to launch the real-time digital flood reporting and information management system? Okay, so real-time digital flood reporting and information management system was launched by basically Assam. Which country organized the naval exercise La Pérouse, in which Quad countries also participated? See, France is a friendly country with all the 4 members of the Quad, that is India, Australia, Japan, and USA. That's why these Quad countries also participated in the La Pérouse. Where was the India's first agro-based solar plant set up? Okay, so the answer is Rajasthan. First agro-based solar plant was set up in Rajasthan. Let's move to question number 6. Which campaign was launched by the central government on the occasion of the Water Day on the 22nd May 2021? Okay, so it was Catch the Rain. The theme of the World Cancer Day 2021 was I Am and I Will. Who is the author of the recently published book, The Little Book of Encouragement? Okay, so The Little Book of Encouragement is written by Dalai Lama, who lives in the Dharamsala. Okay, and he runs a refuse government in Himachal Pradesh, Dharamsala. Let's move to question number 9. The country's first forest healing center has been opened in which state? We have already seen this question in previous sets also. So the answer is Uttarakhand. With which Gulf country has the Government of India signed an agreement to promote the renewable energy in February 2021? So the answer is Bahrain. Who has been awarded the Sahitya Academy Award 2020 for Hindi language? So Anamika. Anamika basically belongs to Muzaffarpur, Bihar, and some of her works include Saja Chula, Khurdari Hathelia. Okay, let's move to question 12. So the 520 megawatt Tapovan Bishnugad hydropower project in Uttarakhand, which was damaged after a glacial burst, is situated on which river? Okay, so basically that was situated on Dhauli Ganga river. Let's move to question number 13. Which state government has decided to issue golden card under the Ayushman Bharat scheme? So the answer is Uttar Pradesh. What is the rank of India in the Economic Freedom Index released in the March 2021? Okay, so the answer is 121. Okay, whereas Singapore was on the first position, and New Zealand was on the second, and Australia was on third position. According to recently released report, which country has the safest road in the world? So answer is Norway. Norway has the safest road in the world. Let's move to the question number 16. In which state was the 11th Rashtriya Sanskriti Mahotsav organized recently by the Ministry of the Culture and the Tourism? Okay, so the answer is West Bengal. Who is appointed as the new MD and the CEO of the Central Bank of India? See, such kind of questions are not asked in PCS services. Okay, so anyway, if they have given, let's do it. So the answer is Matam Venkata Rao. Let's move to question number 18. India became a non-permanent member of the Security Council from January 2021. Which statement is true regarding this? India has been elected as a non-permanent member for 2 years. Yeah, this statement is right. India has become a non-permanent member of the Security Council for the 8 times. Yeah, this statement is also right. Along with India, 4 other countries, Norway, Mexico, Ireland, and Kenya also became temporary members. Yeah, this one is also right. So the answer is D. First, second, third, all are right. Which country's prime minister announced to change the word of its national anthem on the occasion of the New Year's? See, answer is Australia. Basically, what happened after they got independent from the Britishers, their national anthem contained one word, young, young country. A word young was added in their national anthem, which was basically removed because Australians saying they are not young. They are living from the millions of years on that particular island. Okay, so which Indian female cricketer has become the first Indian player to score 10,000 runs in the international cricket? Answer is Mithali Raj. The state government has declared the year 2021 as the year of the education. So the answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Come to question number 22. In which state night safari is started in the March 2021 in 3 national parks? So answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following companies has completed the flight test of the world's largest airplane? See, the answer is Strato Launch. This particular plane is so used that its wingspans are spread up to 385 feet. Okay, and having 6 engines. Come to question number 24. Which state UT stood first in the Khelo India Winter Games? So answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Which female player won the All England Open Badminton Championship title? Okay, so answer is Nozomi Okura. Basically, she is a Japanese badminton player. Let's come to question number 26. In which city was the 5-day National Horticulture Fair 2021 was organized? So answer is Bangalore. In which state Jalabhisekam Water Conservation Campaign was launched in February 2021? So answer is Madhya Pradesh. Jalabhisekam Water Conservation Campaign was launched in Feb 2021 in Madhya Pradesh. Recently released e-Chhaoni portal was launched by which ministry? Obviously, that will be launched by Ministry of Defense. Recently, in which union territory Atal Paryavaran Bhavan was inaugurated by the Union Minister of the Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Prakash Javadekar? So the answer is Lakshadweep. The Madhya Pradesh government has recently announced to change the name of the Hosangabad city to Narmadapuram. Come to question number 31. Which country has recently decided to rejoin the United Nations Human Rights Council and the Paris Climate Agreement? So obviously the answer is America. Which country has recently announced to build the world's first energy island? Okay, so first energy island will be built by Denmark. Basically, they will be using the wind energy, in the north and the Baltic Sea, and their generators will be placed on the offshore of the sea. Okay, so let's come to question number 33. Which organization has recently declared the year 2021 as the worst year on record due to COVID-19? See, out of these four options, if you'll see, the most affected one due to the COVID pandemic is World Tourism Organization. Obviously, tourism was badly hit due to the lockdowns. Which Indian origin person is recently appointed as the acting chief of the staff of the NASA? Okay, so the answer is Bhavya Lal. Let's move to question number 35. Which country has recently launched its first Arctic surveillance satellite, Arctica M, from Baikonur, Kazakhstan? So answer is it was launched by Russia. Which country has recently announced to set up the world's largest wind power plant by 2030? So answer is South Korea. Which Indian company received the world's first consignment of the carbon neutral oil from the Oxy low carbon venture of the America? Answer is Reliance Industries Limited. This is the world's first consignment of the carbon neutral oil from Oxy low carbon venture of America. Vishnu Narayan Namotri, who passed away recently, was a poet and the educationist of the which language? So basically, he belongs to Malayalam. SANS campaign was launched by which state government with an aim to reduce the rising mortality rate due to pneumonia? Okay, so basically, the SARS stands for Social Awareness and Action to Neutralize the Pneumonia Successfully. Okay, so basically, that particular was launched by Madhya Pradesh government. Let's come to question number 40. Which country won the title of the Handball World Championship held in Egypt in Feb 2021? Okay, so the answer is Denmark. The recently launched scheme mission Indradhanush 3.0 is related to. So basically, the mission Indradhanush 3.0 is related to. This particular scheme will be covering all those children and the pregnant women who missed their routine vaccination or the immunization due to the COVID-19 pandemic. They will be covered under this Indradhanush 3.0. Okay, so the answer is by extension of the vaccination. 41, the answer will be A. By extension of vaccination. Recently, which country conducted the military exercise Aster X for the first time in the space? Okay, so the answer will be France. The Steel Authority of India Limited has announced to set up the first gas to ethanol plant in which state? So basically, they will be establishing it in Maharashtra. Let's come to question number 44. Which state government has recently launched the COVID Fateh campaign? Obviously, Fateh word will be related to Punjab. Google Cloud has tied up with which space agency under the Starlink project? So they have collaborated with SpaceX. Which state government has launched Mission Oxygen Self-Reliance Scheme? So basically, during the second wave, this scheme was launched by Maharashtra government. The main objective of the recently launched global project, Gloliter Partnership Project, is to dispose of plastic waste spread in the sea. What is the target for the agriculture credit in the budget 2021-22? So answer is 16.5 lakh crores will be provided to the farmers as a credit. Question 41. The limit for the foreign direct investment in the insurance has been increased from 49% to how much? So it has been increased to 74%. What was the theme for the economic survey 2020-21? So basically the theme was saving lives and livelihood. I think they have made mistake here. Lives will be not there. Okay, so LIVES, lives will be here. Okay, so 50C is the answer, saving lives and livelihood. So thank you guys. Here are 6 practice. It also ends.